when we're done for the day and it's time to tear everything down, we'll unhook all of our launch leads. We'll come and we'll unplug them from the controller, and then we'll wind them all up. And basically, when we get them all wound up, then we take them and we'll just stack them up and put them inside the box. All right, once we have all of our launch leads loaded up, we'll remove our controller, open up the box. Our launch leads will go inside. We'll then put our controller box inside as well. And then we will pull off all of our blast deflectors. Put our 100-foot extension cord in the box, and this is ready to be transported and put on the shelf where the A box goes. Pad, we'll just loosen the drill chucks. We'll pull out all of our launch rods. And these launch rods go in the storage container. And then this is ready to go be taken to the truck. To take down the launch pad, we loosen this up, pull that back, open this up, pull this back, and then lift this up. This is ready to go to the truck. To close down the sawhorse, slide this in, close this up, slide this in, close this up. Now if you look on here, there's a thing that says close first. When we close first, that means to do this side. To start with, you fold these feet up so it's nice and compact, and then push it all the way up inside until you see this pin pop out. Next, pull the feet here, make sure those are in there. Close that up, and when you see the pin pop out, you're good to go. And this is ready to go back to the truck.